Peoria City and surrounding areas. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for central Tazewell County, southwestern Peoria County, southwestern Woodford County, until 4:30 a.m. At 3:14 a.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Bartonville, or 10 miles southwest of Peoria, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Peoria City and surrounding areas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included an extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Bartonville around 3:55 a.m., West Peoria and Peoria around 4:05 a.m., and Peoria Heights around 4:15 a.m. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 85 and 101, Interstate 474 between mile markers 3 and 14. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation.